Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This is first part of your paper 402422 October number 2019. Before this I have explained the solutions of May June 2019 21 as well the October November 2019 21, and now I am explaining the solution of October November 2 to 2019. In this I will simply explain the solution because questions are lengthy, the time is too short. You can read the story of the question carefully on the paper, then you can understand whole working. Now in this question he is asking for the total amount Tanya pays to her 4 employees in 1 week. So 4 multiplied by 31 over 4 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 15.20, answer will be 23560. Now in B part he is asking for the difference of percentage decrease. Read the questions story carefully, you can understand this working. So answer is 14%. Now in this he is asking for her initial cost after adding tax. The cost is 108% x 1.08x, and then 15% more she increased, so 1.108x multiplied by 1.10115 equals to 465.75. So answer, her initial investment will be $375. Now this is the question of compound interest. 9300 is the total amount she received. So a amount he is asking for the amount. So A is equals to 99. After working, A equals to 9901.7567. Remaining will be 9901.7567 minus 9300. So remaining after the withdrawing amount from the bank will be 601.75. Question 2. This is the question about the transformation. In this question, in the first part, he is asking for the line of reflections. कहते हैं कि shape A is mapped onto shape B by a reflection. Write down the equation of the line of reflection. So join the corresponding points, and I have drawn a line passing through -1. So the line will be y equals to -1. This line has equal distance of between A and B. Vertical distance should be equal. You can see the corresponding points have vertical distance on both sides same, 2 upward and 2 downward, and same with the second point. So this is the line of reflection, y equals to -1. Describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle shape A onto shape C. So this is the enlargement, because this is opposite to the object, image is opposite, so this will be the negative enlargement, sorry. Scale factor is -3, and center of enlargement is -3 and 2. How we will come to know? Join the corresponding points. Where the corresponding points will meet, that point will be the center of enlargement, and object over image, height, any length of any side of the image divided by the any side length of the corresponding side length of the object, you will get the scale factor. Now in this part, C part, transformation T is mapped by the matrix -1 0 -1. If someone don't know about this matrix, this is the matrix of translation. I think this is this is rotation. A is rotated to D of 180 degrees. तो T maps as angle 2. तो कहता है कि draw the and label that shape D. तो you can see I have drawn on the graph, and you can calculate the coordinates of D by multiplying transformation matrix with the coordinates of image. Object, you will get image. The answer is this, and this is plotted on the grid. This is the shape D. Now question 3. In this question, he is asking for plotting the points on the grid. I have plotted the points on the grid, the remaining points, and sorry, in part 2, hence how many of these runners are selected for the competition. So the 4 points are exactly on the line, so the 4 runners are selected. So this line is positively increasing, so this is the positive correlation. So here's I have drawn the line. You can see another runner 65 seconds to run 4400. So you can match the seat 800 meters to the line, and opposite this answer will be 136. Now B part of this question. In this he is asking to prove that P plus Q is equals to 12. From the question statement, we know that the sum of the frequency is 50. So sum of all the frequency is equals to 50. So P plus Q is equals to 12 shown. And show that 142.5 P plus 162.5 Q is equals to 1870. In this we will apply the formula of mean. Sum of the values divided by the sum of frequency is equals to mean. So I have calculated the values of x. 142.5 is a sum of upper limit, upper class and lower class divided by 2. Answer is 142.5. Same with other classes. So we will get the values of x. So fx will be 142.5 P plus 1475 plus 2287.5. After working, you can see whole working here. So we will get the equation 142.5 P plus 162.5 Q is equals to 18.7, which is proved. Now he is asking to find the calculate values of P and Q. From first equation, P plus Q is equals to 12, we will get P is equals to 12 minus Q. So substitute this value in the second equation. So we will get the values of P and Q. P is equals to 4 and Q is equals to 8. That's it for this part of video. Okay, I will see you in the second part of the video inshallah earlier. Allah Hafiz.